Okay, so you've seen how important it is for me to actually be able to maneuver my environment with the bags that I travel with, regulation size with my cell phone, and how important it is for a bathroom to be that little bit bigger. Now, this is the new Winnipeg Airport. You're looking down into the baggage environment from off the mezzanine. It's the mezzanine in the departure lounge. And here we go. You can see the extent of the mezzanine and nicely reappointed space. And one of the things that they have done is to develop the new washroom environment. Now, bear in mind that the code makes reference to code minimums. And really, we need to start thinking beyond just those minimums. The bathrooms that you just experienced with me were to that minimum, but really don't function if you're trying to maneuver with bags. They work well for their function there, but you have to give thought, how will these actually really be used? Not just create a code minimum environment. And so when you go into this bathroom environment, I actually got in trouble for taking pictures. Well, just sort of, right? People are seeing me take pictures in the bathroom environment and saying, oh yeah, that's kind of kinky, what are you up to, right? Well, I of course was just trying to discover these environments. And you can see here that because the sink within the water closet was actually dedicated for wheelchair accessibility. We don't have the tilt mirrors, we don't have the special protection in terms of insulation on the bottom of the traps. And then also I wanted to point out the actual washroom environment. Here you have the handicap washroom. You see there's 3 rope hooks. I mean, it was just great. There you see my 2 bags again. I didn't have to squish into this environment. I was able to get into it quite comfortably with all of my paraphernalia. They also have, which I didn't capture photograph, regrettably, just a regular 4-foot water closet. It was equally functional, and just wanted to demonstrate that with these pictures, how useful and friendly these are. Another innovation that they've done at Winnipeg is simply to provide rope hooks in a chain stall, recognizing that quite often when people are traveling on airplanes and so forth, they're coming off a red eye, it may be an international flight, they have an opportunity now to do a change of clothes in an environment that's dedicated for that purpose. Now, this is an IHOP restaurant that we're working on right now here in Lethbridge, and as we started to take a look at our washroom layout, we recognized, you know what, we're creating another one of those instances where we actually feel, by reducing the water closet by 1, we're actually going to be more efficient. We're going to be able to see quicker turnaround and have less negative impact on that environment due to the washroom layout. And so you can see 4 very narrow stalls in this environment, still our handicapped environment, but what we did is we took a look at it. And of course, by this time our plumbing was in, so we were a little concerned about that. Fortunately, our code calculations were such that we could get by with 1 less and that it would still be code compliant. And there you see how we've just rearranged our partitions. So it may be that you might have a bathroom environment in your place of business that you want to alter. Well, here's a thought. Just if the code works and you can eliminate 1, just simply widen out the stalls and make it more manageable. I look forward to showing you the outcome at the IHOP here in Lethbridge once it's actually constructed.